kids. Today, we will learn the name of flowers. So, let's start. Jasmine. White jasmine blooms from spring until fall and goes into a rest period in October, continuing through March. Freesia. It blooms in late fall when the weather cools. Foxglove. Foxglove blooms mainly in early summer. The main bloom time is in early summer, but occasionally they produce later in the season. Sunflower. Sunflowers commonly bloom during summer and a portion of fall, with the middle of summer as the peak season. Orchids. It grows during the summer and bloom in the fall, winter or spring. Tulip. It blooms from March to April. Mid-season types will extend the blooming period later into spring. Daffodil. The daffodil is a hardy plant that begins to bloom in late winter and early spring. Rose. Roses bloom on and off throughout the season, from mid-spring to fall, making them among most desirable garden plants. Lily. Lilies tend to bloom from early summer to fall, depending on the time. Iris. The majority of irises will bloom in spring or summer. Dwarf varieties tend to bloom earlier in spring.